Google is giving its Circle to Search feature a major upgrade, making translating text on websites smoother and more seamless than ever before. Hello and welcome to GadInsider. Welcome to your hub of latest tech news. With Circle to Translate, Google promises that once you start translating a web page, it will continue translating text as it appears on screen. No more restarting the translation every time you scroll. Whether you're browsing through digital menus or reading articles in foreign languages, the feature now works shockingly well as you move down the page, even if the content is in multiple images or scattered across different parts of the site. This update is a part of Google's ongoing push to improve its system across apps and devices. Circle to Search, which has become one of the most used features, is just the tip of the iceberg. Google has been rolling out more AI-powered features recently, including iMessage-like improvements for Google Messages and new AI writing tools for Gboard, which help users write more effectively across any app. But how do you get your hands on this shiny new feature? The update is being rolled out gradually, starting with Samsung devices, and will eventually make its way to other Android phones. To check if you have the update, simply open Circle to Search by long pressing the home button, then tap the translate icon. If the update has landed on your device, you'll see the scroll and translate option. This new function makes browsing and translating easier than ever, especially for those frequently navigating websites in different languages. With Google's growing focus on AI and machine learning, this is just another step toward making language barriers a thing of the past. Are you excited to try out this feature? Tell us in the comments. Smash the like button and subscribe to GadInsider, and yes, hit the bell icon too so you stay updated with more tech news.